Hi guys, Mortgage Mark. Let's talk about the frequently asked questions when getting pre-qualified. The first question I typically have is how much does it cost? Does it hurt my credit? Should I have my spouse? And really kind of how long is it good for? Those are kind of the big highlights. So let's go with the cost. It's free. Look, to talk to me, to do this, to talk to most companies, it'll cost you your time. So if you have that 20 to 30 minutes just to provide that information, once we have it, we got a whole nother conversation about loan program structure, things of that nature. But for the application itself, it's about that 15-20 minutes time period at no cost. Do we pull your credit? Is it a hard pull? Yes, and it needs to be. And you can say, oh, I've already pulled the credit. Well, guess what? Consumer credit reports are different than that of mortgage credit reports. And side note, our credit scores are probably going to be lower than what you're seeing. Why? Consumer models operate off a different scoring system than that of the mortgage world. So we will have a hard inquiry. The good news, guys, it really shouldn't hurt your credit. In fact, I can prove it. One kid I know, we did his loan probably about a year and a half ago at the taping of this video. The guy had 38 credit pulls for mortgage companies. I don't think he worked during that week when he was getting these applications done, but it did not hurt his credit. He had A++. Think about it this way. The credit bureaus do not want to punish somebody for being an informed consumer. So when you buy automobiles and cars, and mortgages, it's not going to hurt you the same way as if you do an inquiry with a credit card company. So let us pull your credit. It's not going to hurt you. We're going to go through it, and we'll let you know if there's a big discrepancy between our score and somebody else's that you've seen or pulled. Let's put the report side by side and make sure that everything is in fact accurate. So guys, to recap, it's free. It will be a hard inquiry. You know, the other question I get is, should I add my spouse? Please do. Reason being, that extra little information takes you all of like 30 seconds to fill out, and with a push of a button, we can make your spouse disappear. So guys, but just know, add the spouse's information. Some loans do require that we have both credit reports, but really and truly, it just gives us the big picture. And if we don't need or want one of the spouses for some reason, or your spouse, only one, then we can certainly edit that later. So submit your spouse's information. It's free, no cost, and it's valid for as long as there aren't any really major substantial changes to your credit. The official, air quotes around official, pre-qual is typically good for about 60, 90, 120 days before maybe a seller would want an updated letter. But for the most part, on our side, as long as there's nothing major, you're going to be good for the foreseeable future. Call us if you have any questions. I know it's a lot of information. Hopefully we answered your questions, and if we didn't, we're here to help.